Well, we're getting breaking news that Arvind Kejriwal's oath-taking schedule for Thursday may now be postponed. And we understand, and our sources have been telling us, that Headlines today has learnt that President Pranab Mukherjee is yet to give his nod to government formation by Arvind Kejriwal, that's the Aam Aadmi Party. The LG of Delhi, Najib Jung, had earlier recommended a government by Aam Aadmi Party, terming it as the second largest party in Delhi. Sources also reveal that Kejriwal may take 2 days for oath-taking after the President's nod. Sources say no communication from the President's house to the Lieutenant Governor on Kejriwal's oath-taking ceremony has yet been communicated. In fact, the Lieutenant Governor's office is still awaiting an approval. National Affairs Editor Javed Ansari is now joining us with more details. Javed, earlier there was an assent from the President's office for a go-ahead for government formation is what we understand. Is this something different from that? Has the President put a stop because of the confusion that has arisen between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party?
No, I don't think that's the case. It would be erroneous to read any motive into that. The only reason is there is this due process that has to take place. The Lieutenant Governor's office has not informed the Home Ministry and the President of India that the BJP is the single largest party, is not in a position to form the government. Therefore, the second largest party, Mr. Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party, should be called. Now, the President is also. We must also bear in mind that the President is not in Delhi. He's in Hyderabad, scheduled to return to the capital on the 31st of the month. He's traveling to Allahabad today. He's doing due diligence, and it's only after that, once that process is complete, he will then inform the Home Ministry and the Lieutenant Governor's office for this process to be undertaken. After that assent arrives, it will take at least 2 days for the swearing-in ceremony to happen. So probably it will, in all probability, not happen today or tomorrow. Probably we are looking at Friday or Saturday or maybe even Monday.
All right, so the possibility of the oath-taking ceremony taking place tomorrow is now almost nil, with the President's assent not as yet received by the LG's office. It's only after that Arvind Kejriwal can go ahead and take oath as the Chief Minister of Delhi. Many thanks, Javed Ansari, for getting us those details.